So all viruses rely on the machinery of the infected cells to be able to replicate. What we want to do is better understand how the virus takes control of the cells it infects, and then use this information to suggest drugs that target the human proteins.
The QCRG, the QBI Coronavirus Research Group, is an international team of scientists, including those from EMBL and EMBL-EBI, who are looking for common weaknesses across 3 coronaviruses that have been threatening human health. One of our aims is to eventually guide that host reaction through treatments to fight against the virus. In order to do so, we need to understand the virus at a molecular level and progress onwards from there. Essentially, if you don't know the alphabet, you can't read.
In March or early April, we started imaging some cells just out of curiosity because we had the facility to do so with our microscope setups and also the virology department very close by. So they infected some cells for us. We made some beautiful images and wanted to share them with the science community. So they were actually tweeted. And then the science community answered. And one of the answers that we got was from Pedro Beltrao from the EMBL-EBI reaching out to us and asking whether we would be available to do some imaging.
Other researchers have been able to build on our work because the QCRG generated many reagents and data sets that are being exploited around the world. And these are reagents that we've distributed to 461 labs in 41 countries. This massive amount of data cannot be analyzed by any one place, really, and does need a global effort. And this is where EMBL became a very crucial partner in this important next step for the bioinformatics, the mathematics, and general data analysis that Pedro Beltrao led.
So in the end, what really matters most is if the drugs that we identify will make a difference for patients. So the most important continuation to this work is the initiation of clinical trials. There have been at least 2 drugs that have been identified in our studies that are now being studied in clinical trials. And so this work will take a few months, but hopefully it will make a difference.
If anything, it's taught us now more than ever, I would say, a new way of doing science through large collaborative efforts, which lead to results at really an unprecedented speed. And I think if we can learn this lesson and implement it towards all kinds of diseases, without a doubt, we'll have a huge impact on human health.